Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2007 Lincoln Mark LT. We'll do the outside, the inside. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get the outside conditions, whatever features there may be. And then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, it does have the tow pack, backup sensors, the spray-in bed liner, the bed rails, running boards, aftermarket tires and wheels. We'll get down here on one of the tires for you. Tire size. Hopefully that helps you. Get both angles as well. It does have power fold-in mirrors. It's got a new gimbal here. I'm trying to get used to it, so I apologize if this isn't the best video walk around. See fog lights. It does have a sunroof as well. Alright, let's get to the inside condition, whatever features it may have. Sorry about that. See, it does have power windows, power locks, fold-in mirror, power memory seat. Apologize. Let's get the condition of the leather here. A little bit of wear on the leather, not horrible. There are no tears or rips or anything like that. It's a soft leather. The passenger seat here. There's a sunroof up there. Alright, let's get the rear. It does have the center, the fold-down center armrest, cup holders, whatnot. There's a rear air in the outlet there. Some features up front. Power pedal adjusters, the tilt. The steering wheel controls there. Best I can. It does have a stock stereo with navigation. As soon as we turn the car over, I'll show you that. Heated seats, of course. And then the auto transmission with the overdrive button there. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood, see what we got. Find the lever here. I apologize, folks. There we go. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting this in here the best I can for folks. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few, so you know what you're looking for. Just want to get it in here. Now, mind you, all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, inspect for oil leaks. If anything ever needs to be fixed, we fix it. And I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau and our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews really do speak for themselves. We take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. And that's why I love working here. As you can see, there's a mileage there. Low fuel. Here is the navigation. As you can see, let's see if we can get some stereo.
All year long
oh, yep, that is. Let's go media, FM. Stereo works well. Everything works well. Let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Of course, that isn't it. That's a diesel behind me pulling out. I apologize. But it is purring along beautifully. As you can hear and see. Hopefully this answers some questions. If there's anything I may have missed or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I am happy to do it. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration. Hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your afternoon.